What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here at Family Dollar and they're still having their summer clearance event. I just found a cart full of everything, $1 and under. We have the Selfie Series smartphone selfie mics. These are just $1. We also have the little Selfie Series smartphone tripods. These were normally $5. These were normally $6. The marble swirly run, these are just $1 now. I'm just going to show you guys everything I find. We have 25-cent family hooks. We have 80-cent barrettes. $1 my first year frames, just $1. My school years frames. We have individual coasters for 25 cents. We have a variety of them. Down here, we have a 25-cent Shine Bright tin, a $1 wireless speaker, $1. This is just $1 also, a frame and gratitude jar set, just $1. We have even more frames here. Another speaker for $1. This was in here, but I don't see a price. I definitely want to get this. Birdy likes Shea Moisture. We have 50-cent soap. Looks like we have some more of these that say family. Again, more of the $1 speakers. This is 25 cents. All you need is love and a poodle. Okay, let's go into the next cart. We have everything in this cart is just $5. We have some larger frames down below. A Baroque portrait frame, $5, down from $6. We have glass candle holders. Let's see. These are down $1. A little Bluetooth speaker for $5. We have Love to Hug Elmo for $5. Trying to show you guys these, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to manage it with one hand. These were normally $11.25 on clearance. Not sure about the original price. The set of 3 cracked glass candle holders, those are also $5. And then behind me, we have even more clearance. We have the $7.50 vanity trinket jar and frame set. Some of these items aren't going to be marked, so definitely have them scanned if you're interested. I was finding quarter items in my other store as well. We have some comforter sets for $12.50. The little classic tip tumble, these were $5, but they're marked down to $2. These Disney princess puzzles are just $1. They come in a cute little container. 48 pieces, perfect for Christmas, perfect for birthdays. $2 for 7 little mirrors. $2 for this. We have some rollers. I don't see a price though. Anti-Colic Bottles. These are 50 cents. At one point they were marked down to $6. One feeding bottle for 50 cents. $3 for this statue. We have more of the clip-on selfie lights. I'm not really sure how much these are though. Maybe I could get one scanned. I don't see anyone at the register right now. We have some towels. We have a $3 decorative door frame photo collage. Looks like we have some headbands and visors. Candy. I'm not seeing a price. The Catawba bubblegum pops candy. $3.75 earbuds. Have these scanned, you guys. Some of them might not be the right price. $7.80 for the design a character activities. These are hanging up. My other store had the matching hats for $1. I'm not sure how much these are. At one point my other store had them for $5. So definitely have them scanned if you're interested. And then we also have some clothes over here that aren't marked. I'm guessing some of these items might be just $1 though. We also have little kid outfits, baby outfits, some bras, cleaning supplies. Again, if there's something you're interested in and you don't see a tag, definitely get it scanned because they might be super, super cheap. We have a Conair ceramic curling iron, dryer sheets. We'll see if we have anything else. Ooh, looks like we have more over here. We have more clearance items. Soaps, Febreze, gauze pads. These might be good for me to get for when Birdy gets her wisdom teeth removed, just to have on hand. I remember these were kind of hard to find when my oldest son got his wisdom teeth out. We have body washes, hand soap refills. Again, get these scanned. They might be lower than you think. Wow, you guys, this is a really good price for this, especially if you have a coupon, $2.75 for the Old Spice body wash. I think these normally go for like $6. Dial for $1.50. We have hand sanitizers, big containers of Suave lotion. Again, they're not marked. Dove Men Plus Care, Loterman, cherry blossom scent, body spray. Again, you guys, this is a lot for everyone to keep up with. You guys, most of the Family Dollar stores don't have that much staff, so when they have these big clearance events, I feel like it's probably pretty overwhelming to keep up with, for everything to get tagged and for everything to get marked down. So definitely ask, you guys. Ask to have it scanned. It might be super cheap. It might even be $0.25. In one of my other stores, I even found some salad storage containers for as low as 5 cents. So don't be afraid to ask. And if you don't want it, just put it back. But at least you asked. I just wanted to see if we have anything else on the end caps. All the candles. All the candles are just $5 and under here. And we do have $1 candles as well. $1 candles. And we have wax melt burners. I think that one's $2 up there. We also have $1 wax melts. You guys definitely follow me over on TikTok. If you're not following me yet, I make a lot of fun content with my $1 wax melt burner. I cook things, I melt things, I take your requests. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are gonna be putting fall items here soon. Look, we already have these. But right now my store just has fun items, snacks, candy, Look, we're starting to get some Halloween items. The little plastic tumblers. We just kind of have essentials over here. Clearance pens for 75 cents. We have some other little clearance items here too. But hey, you guys, that's it for me here in Family Dollar. I'm gonna look around a little bit more, and if I find some more deals in here worth sharing, if I find some more deals worth sharing and some more clearance worth sharing, I definitely will. But you guys, make sure you run into your Family Dollar and check out this clearance event. They're adding new things pretty much every week throughout the summer, but you know, at least try to go once a week, because some of these items are marked really low and they do go fast. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.